Hi everyone, Svetlana Sotak here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use my Olivia pouch pattern to make these uniquely shaped zipper pouches. The pouches are fully lined with no raw or exposed edges on the inside, and the pattern provides instructions on how to make them in 3 different sizes. Small size is perfect to hold trinkets or makeup. Medium size makes for a wonderful pencil case, and the large size works great as a doll kit, travel pouch, or even a small project bag. I went ahead and cut out all my panels according to the cutting measurements provided in the pattern, and I also adhered fusible interfacing to the wrong side of my lining panels and my handle. I will be adding fusible fleece to the exterior panels later in the process. This pattern is designed with either a metal or a nylon closed-end zipper in mind, and my favorite zippers are these number 4.5 donut pull metal zippers, and this is the zipper that I will be using to make my pouch. There are a few things to keep in mind when working with metal zippers. First of all, you need to make sure that you measure your zipper correctly and you measure the length of the zipper from one metal end to the other metal end. You do not measure the length of the zipper tape. Second, you need to be very careful not to sew over any metal parts of the zipper. I designed this pattern with enough seam allowance around the zipper that this should not be an issue, so make sure to use the correct seam allowance throughout. You will also need to print the correct size of the template depending on what size of the pouch you're working on. I will be making a medium size of the pouch, so I printed a medium size template. You can find the printable templates and cutting measurements for all 3 sizes, as well as step-by-step written instructions and color photos in the pattern. And I will put a link to the pattern in the description box below the video so you can purchase it if you wish. Let's get started, shall we?